Hello, I'm Gordon from Nirvana Foundation. The solar industry is growing rapidly, but succeeding in solar requires much more than basic knowledge. You need the right technical expertise, practical experience, business understanding, and the ability to use the modern AI tools effectively. That's why we revamped our professional solar training programs and introduced two specialized courses. Course 1, a complete solar blueprint. Engineer, simulate and execute next generation PV plants. This is a 30-hour practical and theoretical program designed for engineers, technicians, and solar professionals with an optional internship for hands-on project experience. Course 2, Solar Business Accelerator. Build, grow, and scale a successful solar enterprise. This program focuses on solar economics, ROI, payback, IRR, LCOE, project management, sales, marketing, entrepreneurship, and AI-powered business optimization. And coming soon is Course 3, Solar Sales Mastery. Win more customers, close more deals, grow faster. At Nirvana Foundation, our objective is simple to bridge the gap between the knowledge and real world solar success. Watch a complete video to understand why professional training matters and how this program can accelerate your career or solar business.
India's aggressive push for renewable energy is currently backed by thousands of crores in government subsidies and massive capital investments. We are seeing this demand accelerate at the neighborhood level as Indian homeowners and commercial businesses leverage state net metering policies to take control of their power supply. This energy transition represents a historic, highly localized wealth generation event across the country. But while the government provides the rupee capital and the policy frameworks, capturing that wealth requires a specialized type of modernized local enterprise. There is a significant bottleneck. Despite operating in a booming market, today a vast majority of new Indian solar startups hit a hard growth ceiling and fail to scale. The root cause is operational. Many founders, often brilliant engineers or commerce graduates, treat solar exclusively as an engineering challenge rather than a complex business operation. Knowing the exact physics of a photovoltaic cell is essentially useless if a founder cannot calculate the levelized cost of energy in rupees or navigate state specific tariff structures. The modern Indian market does not suffer from a lack of technical engineering talent. It suffers from a vacuum of integrated business acumen. Bridging that gap requires structured business education, using frameworks like the Solar Business Accelerator as a blueprint for the market. The first step to profitability is mastering solar economics. A founder must calculate strict ROI and payback periods while maximizing government subsidies. From there, rigorous project management, specifically vendor procurement and inventory control, protects profit margins from bleeding out. Theoretical government subsidies only translate into bankable INR profit through flawless financial and operational management. Once those back end financial operations are firmly locked in, the focus shifts to the front lines of revenue generation. In the Indian market, solar is a high cost, high trust purchase. Success depends on a founder's ability to understand customer psychology and build localized credibility. Winning deals against established competitors requires structured sales skills, effective proposal preparation, precise quotation development, and mastering negotiation techniques. Superior hardware technology cannot overcome a lack of consumer trust. Closing multi lakh deals requires engineered communication skills. To handle that workload, forward thinking entrepreneurs are using artificial intelligence to cut overhead and scale faster than legacy competitors. By utilizing tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, they are automating quotation generation, writing localized marketing copy, and managing CRM databases. This automation allows small Indian startups to operate with the logistical power of large corporate players, vastly improving their INR profit margins. As seen in the fourth module of the accelerator, mastering these AI tools is no longer optional. It is a core pillar in advanced industry training frameworks. AI in the solar sector provides a structural cost advantage that dictates exactly who survives this market boom. The successful Indian solar enterprise today is a hybrid of renewable hardware knowledge, sharp financial planning, and AI driven automation. Relying on trial and error in a multi crore market is financially reckless. Aspiring founders require structured, professional certification. The Nirvana Foundation in Bangalore has emerged as a central hub for this comprehensive business education. Enrolling in their 30-hour solar business accelerator provides the final pillars of entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and scaling strategies. Success in India's renewable market requires pairing technical installation skills with the automated systems and financial strategies of a modern business owner.